I think it extraordinarily unlikely that his lawyers would let him, go so rogue that he would violate this final order of the court to appear at least virtually for his sentencing date.
Okay, and finally, let's finish off with this. In terms of the prospect of an appeal, do you think that Trump's team will be successful in their effort to undo these criminal convictions against him?
It's hard to say. It seems like Judge Merchan called a very clean and conservative case, conservative in the legal sense, gave Donald Trump every opportunity to mount a defense, and the jury, in virtually a New York minute, convicted him 34 times over. So it seems like it will be a strong case for the prosecution on appeal, but you can never precisely predict what an appellate court might find interesting in what was a most interesting trial. But there are a couple of things even short of appealing the verdict and appealing the conviction once Donald Trump is sentenced. Brian, I have to believe that Donald Trump's lawyers will beat feet probably as early as this afternoon or tomorrow to a New York appeals court to see if they can convince an appeals court to reverse Judge Merchan's decision to proceed to sentencing. Assuming a New York appeals court opts not to intervene, and I don't think they should after reading Judge Merchan's 18-page order, then I have to believe Donald Trump will try to seek review in the United States Supreme Court, look for, I don't know, perhaps 5 conservative justices to weigh in and put a stop to Donald Trump's sentencing. Now, there would be no constitutional principle that would require the Supreme Court to weigh in to this state court decision.